To turn on or off senior mode or simple mode on the OnePlus Nord CE5, just go for settings. Next you have to scroll down and go into accessibility. Now scroll down and move into option called simple mode. So over here you have to just click to enter the simple mode. Now wait for a few seconds, and as you can see we are just over here, so everything is much bigger and the whole UI looks different. Take a look. Now all apps are actually in this folders. Over here, like, you got some Google apps. There we go. You've got the 3 buttons navigation. So basically that's how it looks. You can also change, apps in the folders. And now if you wish to turn it off, you can just simply go into the settings and just enter for the simple mode again to simply change it. So yeah, that will be all, and thanks for watching.